So this photograph is showing you the decubitus ulcer. These are the decubitus ulcers. These are the decubitus ulcers. You can see this is the anterior vaginal wall. This entire thing is the anterior vaginal wall. This is the cervix here, and posteriorly you can't see there is a posterior vaginal wall. So you can see ulcerations everywhere, and there may be some blackish spots also sometimes. Some blackish spots may be there, showing the keratinization effect, that is some blackish discoloration of the skin might be there. So this is what happens in the third degree prolapse. The entire thing is coming out, and the tube and ovary, they are kind of attached to the infundibulopelvic ligament. Now how will you treat decubitus ulcer? Remember, whenever there is a decubitus ulcer here or here, wherever, if you operate on the uterus which has an ulcer, it will lead to bleeding and infection. So you have to first of all correct this. How do you correct it? You have to pack it. You have to pack it with glycerine. Glycerine is hygroscopic, so it will absorb the water and the secretions, and then you use that yellow colored liquid, that is acryflavin. Acryflavin is a antiseptic agent. Right? So antiseptic agent and hygroscopic agent, they have to be combined together. You soak a gauze piece in glycerine mixed with acryflavin, and you pack the entire uterus and push it inside, and you have to do it every day or twice a day, and you have to give some antibiotics so that this heals. You may sometimes give pre-operatively some estrogen creams so that the blood supply and the venous supply increases so that the tissue heals, but you have to stop it before 2 days before surgery, otherwise it will lead to excessive bleeding. So decubitus ulcer, why is it formed? I just told you, it is because of venous congestion and circulatory changes. It is not because of friction. Sometimes you may feel that because of friction the thighs are rubbing, so this is causing ulceration. No, it is only because of venous congestion and circulatory changes, and it has to be treated before you do the surgery.